Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the TMS trading system. All right, so basically the TMS trading system is also known as the trading made simple. All right, TMS stands for trading made simple trading system. Okay, so it is a popular forex strategy built around simplicity and clarity. Okay, it was introduced by a trader known as Big E and focuses on combining price action with a few key indicators. Okay, now at the core of this system is the trader's dynamic index. So I just quickly moved to trading view so we can look at the trader's dynamic index. All right, so this indicator blends RSI, moving averages, and volatility bands to give a clear picture of market momentum and direction. Right, so alongside the TDI, traders often use basic candlestick analysis and of course support and resistance levels. All right, to confirm setups. Okay, so the main idea is to wait for strong clean signals. For example, when the TDI line cross in the direction of the trend, for let's say we have a bullish trend in this particular you know direction, right, in this particular area. Okay, and then say you have a confirmation here like the green crossing above the red, bouncing off this blue Bollinger Band, or volatility bands, right? And then we have them trending up, and then even at some point crossed above the yellow. Basically, you are getting buy signals from the indicator, and at the same time you are getting confirmation from your trend line. All right, and price bouncing off your support, so you are getting confluence. Okay, the system works best on higher time frames like the 4 hour or the daily charts where market noise is reduced. Another important part of TMS is discipline. Okay, traders are encouraged to avoid overtrading and only take setups that clearly align with the rules. Okay, so this helps reduce emotional decisions and keeps the strategy consistent. Overall, the TMS trading system is designed to simplify trading decisions by focusing on trend, momentum, and clean chart setups. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.